The Pantheon in Rome, Italy is one of the most well-preserved ancient Roman buildings in the world. It is a former Roman temple and, since 609 AD, a Catholic church. The Pantheon was built on the site of an earlier temple commissioned by Marcus Agrippa during the reign of Augustus, 27 BC, 14 AD. The Pantheon is famous for its large circular domed cella, with a conventional temple portico front. The dome is made of concrete and is the largest unreinforced concrete dome in the world. The Pantheon's most unique feature is its oculus, a large opening in the center of the dome. The oculus is 9 meters in diameter and is the only source of natural light for the interior of the building. The Pantheon also contains a number of statues, including tombs for the Italian kings Vittorio, Emanuele II and Umberto I. The Pantheon is a popular tourist destination and is visited by millions of people each year. It is one of the best preserved ancient Roman buildings in the world and its architecture is truly unique. The Pantheon's dome is the largest unreinforced concrete dome in the world and its oculus is a marvel of engineering. It has been used as a temple, a church, and a tomb for some of Italy's most important figures. The Pantheon is a place where history, architecture, and art come together to create a truly unique and unforgettable experience. Visit the Pantheon today and see for yourself why it is one of the most popular tourist destinations in the world.